Chevy's 2024 infotainment systems, found in models like the Silverado and Tahoe, sometimes need resetting to fix issues like freezing, connectivity problems, or software glitches. There are three main types of resets. Soft reboot clears temporary memory for minor glitches. Hard reset forces a power cycle for unresponsive screens. Factory reset restores the system to its original state, but erases all data for persistent issues. Always start with a soft reboot. Recent updates include a smart reset feature in the My Chevrolet app for remote reboots. To perform a soft reboot, hold the power volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts the system without losing any data. For a hard reset, hold the power button and volume down for 20 to 30 seconds. This forces a hardware-level restart when the system is unresponsive. To factory reset, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset. Enter the PIN 0000. Remember to back up your data first, as this erases all user data. Before resetting, check for software updates in Settings, Software Information, check for updates. If problems persist, use the Onboard Diagnostic menu by holding the menu button while turning on the ignition to check error codes. For major issues, a dealer visit might be necessary for reflashing the system. Remember to back up your data before a factory reset and aim to use soft or hard resets first to save time and data.